Hello everybody, this is Mr. Bowman. Today we're going to be looking at the Alex topic, probabilities of draws without replacement. So we have 8 women and 9 men that have a chance to be on a game show. The producer is going to choose 10 of these people at random out of our 17. So what's the probability that the producer chooses 4 women and 6 men? Alright, so we're going to do this in a couple phases. So what I'm looking for here is I'm looking for what's the probability, or really how many combinations of 4 women can I get out of the 8 total. So I'm going to come over here to my combinations, and I want 8 and choosing 4 of them. So there's 70 options there. I'll throw that over here for the time being. Okay. And then what's the probability that I choose 6 out of these 9? So 9 choose 6. So there's 84 of those. So there's a total, if I'm going to multiply those together, of 70 times 84. Okay, so that's my total possible options for 4 women out of the 8 and 6 out of the 9 people. But I'm looking for a probability, so I need to know how many total options there are, period. So I need how many ways can I choose 10 out of my total of 17 people. Okay, so I need a combination of 17, right? 8 plus 9, and I'm choosing 10 of those people, which is 19,448. So I'm going to do my 5880 divided by 1948. So 5880 divided by 19,448. Should have wrote that down. Grab my number. So 17 choose 10. Yeah, 448. I was right. All right, so 580 divided by 19,448 equals 0.302, and it's rounded 3 decimal places, so that's what I want. And we're done.